Hey, I'm Roland with Mobile Geeks, and I'm right here with Tom Burke from Intel. And what he does in his pretty much like free time, or 5% of his work time, is something really interesting, and it's called personalized shopping. And what they do is they combine smartphones and electronic displays on the shopping shelves in the supermarket to actually make your shopping experience more interesting and fun and even useful for you.
So what we're demonstrating today is, the idea is, if I have an app that is a retailer's app, and on this retailer's app I have a likes and I have a dislikes list, and perhaps in the dislikes I have an allergy that I'll select peanuts as the allergy. If I select that, this data is being saved in the cloud. And the cloud is not only saving the peanuts, but it's also saving my Bluetooth MAC address. So now when I put this in my pocket and I go shopping at the store, I walk into the grocery store, these devices are sniffing a Bluetooth signal. When the signal is strong enough, it will take the Bluetooth MAC address, go up to the cloud. Each device will go up to the cloud and say, is that person enrolled in the program? Yes, they are. Does he have a tag? Yes, he's flagged peanuts in the dislikes category. Okay, does my product that I'm hosting have peanuts in the category list? This one, Junior Mint, says no, it doesn't. But this one, Butterfinger, says yes, it does. So it returns an affirmative, it's a thumbs down. That now immediately tells me as a consumer, as I walk through the store, these devices are interacting with me without me doing anything. And so they're providing this flag of peanuts with me not even having to pick up the products. The other, you can see how this can translate into things like, I only want to purchase organic. You flag organic on your device, then all the things that are organic just highlight and flag. Perhaps you're interested in a gluten-free diet. And then the other example we use there is, instead, perhaps you're on a low-sodium diet and you want the things that are only low in sodium to be green thumbs up because you know you want to purchase those things. The next example is, instead of this dislikes, I'm going to go over to the likes column. I'm going to go to cars. And I drive a Honda Accord. So when I flag Honda Accord and I go shopping at the automobile parts store, in that automobile parts store I walk in, and the first thing I see is that it's highlighting the products that fit my Honda Accord. The air filter, the oil filter, the type of oil, the wiper blades, all the stuff that you typically see in a huge set of books that they have to look through to find your parts. This does it all for you, just by what you flagged on your device. And then the last example is, instead of the likes, I'm going to go back and I'm going to say, I really like fish. I bought some fish. I'm going to select food and fish, and I go up to the wine section. Now the wine section is listening and it says, hey, this particular wine goes really well with fish, and it's actually providing a recommendation to me right at the time. I could turn it off if I wanted to and say, well, maybe it's not fish, maybe it's mushroom risotto instead. Which wine goes well with mushroom risotto? But it's that kind of interaction with the shelf edge that brings all sorts of kind of capabilities where you're not digging around on your own smartphone finding it all yourself. These devices are doing a lot of that work for you. So that's what we're trying to do with the personalized shopping experience.
And what hardware are you actually using?
So in these devices, we're using Medfields as the hardware platform. It's running a version of Android, a gingerbread version that I had to write specifically for these devices. Ultimately, they do communicate up with Wi-Fi into the cloud, and this has kind of been a part-time project here for the last 3 years. So it's kind of like, do whatever we can in the small amount of time we have to keep moving this thing forward. It's been fun.
So the vision would be for you to actually not use like two screens for a row in the shelf, but use actually like one big screen, right?
Yeah, what we're shooting for, what would be really cool, would be able to find a screen that's 2 inches tall by a meter long, that's touch enabled, that only has one Medfield product, that has one Wi-Fi, your bill of materials goes down significantly, and you cover a lot more space, and all of a sudden you can, for a lot less money, deploy this pervasively throughout a store. That's kind of the vision. I don't know how far away that is, but that's what I'm shooting for.
All right. Thank you, Tom.
You're welcome.